I'm not gonna lie, I only put this jumper on just so that I wasn't in my pajamas for the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a barely there natural makeup look. I am not wearing any base product today. I am just using some products to enhance my natural features, and this is the finished look. And I also used my Dyson smoothing brush on my hair, so there'll be some footage of that as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope you guys enjoy the look. It's super simple, and I'm actually really liking it for considering it's something new for me. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. It's the little red button below here. And let's just jump straight into the makeup look. Alright, let's jump into this. We're going to keep it super simple and really low-key today. I'm actually going to be filming the results for my overnight hair growth challenge video today. So that video, if it's already up, I will pop it up in the cards for you guys to check out if you want to see if I could grow my hair an inch overnight. But can you hear my dogs? They hate being outside, but they have to go outside because they can't be inside all the time. They have to go outside to pee and all that sort of stuff. And they are just big babies about it. Alright, let's move on. I'm going to go in with my nude sticks all over matte face colour in Sun-Kissed. This is meant to give like a super all over bronzy blush look, almost like Sun-Kissed, like you're meant to be out in the sun. So I'm going to use some of this, and I'm going to apply it directly to my cheeks, like so, and then just sort of up along here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. And then I'm going to use just a Real Techniques really old brush to sort of blend it out. So basically I'm going with a no makeup sort of look today, I guess. And I want to see how he turns out. I'm not sure how I feel about this colour on my skin tone. I really like the jumper itself. I actually have it in like a stripy pattern as well from Target, and I really kind of like that. But I'm not sure how I feel about it on my very pale skin. I think it sort of brings out the redness in my skin, and I'm not sure if I like that. My skin naturally is quite clear, as you guys can probably see. I have a spot scar here, but that's about it at the moment, which is really quite a nice change. I feel like this is really nice. But anyway, then I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Amber, which is like my contour shade, and I'm just going to chuck some of that in my contour of my face. Sort of around the outside of my face. To give it a little bit more definition, and I'm going to use the same brush and just... I haven't actually gone without wearing a base with makeup in a really long time. I really hate the redness, the natural redness of my skin. It's never really been something I've enjoyed, and so I've considered using like a green primer or something to get rid of it, but I don't know. Maybe one day. We'll see. At the moment we're just gonna ignore and blend. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer. Not that I actually need a ton of concealer, because like I said, my skin is actually in a pretty good place at the moment. But I want to go in with my Thin Lizzy Flawless Complexion Concealer Cream. I have this in Enchanted Rose and Angel. Enchanted Rose is obviously quite a light shade, so I'm going to put that directly under my eyes. This is just like a Coastal Scents brush. And I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put directly under and around the outside of my eyes to sort of, as you guys can see, it's a really light colour. So this is not my skin tone, but it will brighten my eyes up a little bit. especially for the wonderful dark circles that my children like to leave. And this concealer is super pigmented, like you can see. I used the most minute amount and it is just spreads so well. I really like it. Now I'm going to go in with Angel, which is like a shade or two darker. And I'm going to put that on the back of my hand as well. And I'm going to use this to spot conceal. Any sort of like really red areas that I don't want to be too obnoxious, which generally is this area around my face. I have like an old spot scar on my nose. And some natural redness around this area. Super attractive, right? And then I'm going to go in just with the brush I used earlier and just blend it out so it's not super obvious. And now my face looks a little out of whack. So I'm just going in with a clean blending brush. This one's again just one from Real Techniques, and it's got nothing on it. I'm just going to sort of blend my cheeks out a little bit so that they don't look so incredibly flushed. That's sort of it for my base. Like I said, I'm keeping it really low key, going for super minimal makeup today. I might add a little bit of powder bronzer, just to liven my face up a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker bronzer in Shady Biz, and I'm going to just go in with this angled fluffy brush and blend it out. I'm going to keep my eyelids bare, I think. I don't think I'm going to do anything to them. I want to keep them really boring. So instead I'm going to go in with a little bit of tinted brow gel. The one I'm going to use is the Benefit Gimme Brow in 3, which is actually a little bit light for me, but it's the sample size that I have, and so it's the one I'm going to use. I'll either use this or like a clear brow gel. I generally use 3.5 in Benefit because I have naturally not just dark brows and hair, but I have quite cool toned brows and hair. So, but I'm trying to keep my brows as natural as possible. Lockdown has not been great for my brows. I don't think I've had them done, threaded, waxed, nothing since my birthday, which is in January. Which is crazy, but when I was probably due to get them redone again, everything went into lockdown, and so everything's shut. And it is what it is. Moving on, I'm going to go in with mascara. I really just want something that's super natural, so I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Black Mascara. I've never actually... I think this one's quite a natural mascara. I don't want anything too outrageous today. Because we're going for a very natural look. But this doesn't clump. It's really just coating my lashes, making them a little bit longer and more defined. And that's really all I want. Finally, I'm going to go in with something on my lips. I'm just going to put some I'm going to go in with a 2-in-1. I'm going to go in with Perfect Nude by my Lana Lips. Keeping it super simple. I really like this colour. It is quite a nudie colour. I think it's actually a little bit too nude for me, for it to look nice on my skin. It's almost a little bit too pink, I guess, but it is what it is. That is going to be my super simple no makeup look. Now I'm going to do my hair. I think I'm going to speed through that because I feel like that's going to be boring. I am going to blow dry it. I am going to use my Dyson Airwrap with the brush, the straightening brush, because I don't feel like curls today. And yeah, so I'm going to put that footage in now, and let's do my hair. And the hair is done. So that was like 6 minutes, give or take. I will say that I did have my hair up in a towel for about half an hour first, and then give or take 6 minutes of brush drying. So this is where I'm at. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. I would really, really love it. We're nearly at 400 of you, and that makes me so incredibly excited. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are new. And I will see you guys for my next video. I'm not sure when this one's going to go up, but I make videos on Tuesdays and Sundays. So if this, depending on when this goes up, I'll see you on Tuesday or Sunday. So have a great day, and I'll see you then. Bye.